As the sun sets in the north, it marks the end of the day. Farmers return from their fields, and women hurry to light fires and prepare supper. This beautiful scene unfolds around Kalbala, a small man-made lake located in a community on the outskirts of Yindi. Bears return from their foraging, perhaps in search of food not only for themselves, but also for their chicks. From a distance, I watch them hop from tree to tree, chirping happily. Their cheerful sound suggests that the day may have been a good one, or at the very least, they are home. And truly, there is no place like home. Meanwhile, the ducks are making the most of the fading daylight, trying to fill their bellies, knowing the night will be long. My name is Muhammad Ibn Nazari Charisma.